Today I'm going to be doing my first dry ice treatment. For simplicity, I have a roaster pan, 2 of them. I'll figure that out. And then I have my dry ice in here. I bought about 12 pounds, actually 9 pounds last night, because it's pretty early right now. I don't want to go to Albertsons first thing in the morning. But when I came back the next day, we have 5 pounds. So I knew it was gonna melt, and I have a really bad cooler to keep it in, but I didn't think I was gonna lose 4 pounds. Anyway, and the liquid we're gonna be using today is kerosene. So fingers crossed, we'll see how this works. 1400 is where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in now. Okay, so the purpose of this video is the dry ice tempering or Subzero quench. After doing some research, I haven't found many videos on seeing people do this, so that's why I'm trying to accomplish this today. Again, welcome in, guys. Madewell Knives. Today we're going to be heat treating a blade, stainless steel, cpm154, and we're going to do an equalizing, a plate quench, Subzero quench or cryo treatment, and then followed up by 2 tempering cycles. We'll see how it goes. Pretty excited. Figured what could go wrong. I have an extra piece of CPM in case I mess up. Fingers crossed. Love these. All right, I just put this on the anvil. All right, so I got this fancy thing. 97.2. It's got my dry ice in here. Negative 26. A little bit closer. Negative 32. Negative 32. That's crazy. On or near the temperature, they always say. This is gonna drop and then have to go back up and temp. So let's get her done. All right, we got about 20 seconds left. I'm gonna pull the knife out. We're gonna go ahead and plate quench it. This is right after the quench here. See them colors there. So what I'm gonna do, remember that thermometer gun I had? I'm gonna check I'm gonna check the thermometer. We're gonna check the temp. It says low. It's past. It's past it. It said -49. I think it goes to -54, something like that. So when it said low, it's low. I wish I had a blankie or something. Anyway, look at the frost it left right here. Pretty cool, huh? So here we go. Dry ice. You already heard the spiel. I will try to have this in for 4 hours. We'll see how long this kerosene lasts before the dry ice dissolves. But as soon as this is dissolved, we can take it out and we're gonna have it go hang out at room temp for a little bit, and then we will throw it in the oven for our two 2-hour cycles. This is after the first temper cycle. Let me show you what the container. I used a funnel to put it back in the container, the original container. I took it out when all the ice was dissolved, and that was roughly about 4 hours. All right, so after the 2 tempering cycles, let's see, try the 60 here. I guess there's a car that was driving fast. Yeah. 65. Wow. There's the colors there. Came out really nice. There's no warping. Now, I read somewhere that you should probably clamp your blades when you do the Subzero quench to reduce the chance of warping. Thermo-induced warping, I guess they call it. It might be called something different. Came out pretty good, pretty happy with it. Let's put a handle on this thing, huh? So yeah, we got our file skating at a 60, but it's scratching a little bit. Well, it's scratching on the 65, so it's somewhere in between there. I know it's a vague number, but we'll go with that. So next step is to do these handles. I'm gonna cut them diagonal, and then I'm gonna use this natural stabilized black limba wood that I have. Should be pretty cool.